In this lecture, we'll discuss the next tool, that is JADX. Let's get started. JADX tool is free and open source software that allows you to decompile Android APK files and view them used for debugging, testing, and security analysis of Java applications. It provides functionality to decompile Java bytecode into human-readable Java source code, allowing developers and testers to understand how a compiled Java application works. Provides users with a graphical user interface and a command line interface. JADX Practical. In this video, we will show you how to install the JADX tool on your Windows operating system. The first step is to open a web browser. Search for JADX and hit enter. Follow the first link from the search result. This is the official GitHub repository for the JADX tool. You can also scroll down to view its documentation and how to install it for further platforms. Now, under the releases section, click on its latest version. Scroll down and under the download file section, click on JADX-GUI-1.4.6. So that's output. So to download the latest version, click on JADX. Scroll down and under the download section, click on the following version. Download the latest version of the tool. After downloading, go to its download folder and double click on the download binary to install it. Now the JADX tool is ready for you to use.